brace kind of glued to the inside, and that's what's poking through there. Looking at the stitching, that's through that. Super. I don't actually even know what to say about this one. This is pretty much where my skill level maxes out. So I can do bigger dents. It's not so much the size as just how complicated this repair is going to be. It's got this crease that kind of waves and snakes through and then comes up here, and some super deep areas and buckles in this body line, and this entire upper ridge is actually shoved up on the top. You can see this line, kind of this light reflection showing that the panel is just, it's just terrible. Anyway, I'm gonna try and repair this today using paintless to repair. This might not be a 100% repair, but our goal is to keep this vehicle as original as possible. It's super severe, but I think we can manage keeping it to where no one really knows that anything ever happened to it and the paint job stays completely original. So if you have damage like this on your vehicle and you would like to find out if it's a candidate for paintless tint repair, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com. You can give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. That's 512-290-4245. Or stop on by. We're located at 201 Industrial Boulevard here in Cedar Park. Okay. There's a little paint imperfection. And straight. It's pretty straight. It's a little wavy. We told them that it was going to be a little wavy. Keeping the vehicle as original as possible. I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop. Thanks for watching.